Hi, it's Christine doing a review for Splenda Allulose 0-calorie sweetener and supposedly keto-friendly. It's also supposedly plant-based and tastes like sugar. Personally, I feel like it's a bit bitter, almost like stevia but not as bitter as stevia. I like that it measures the same as regular sugar, so the conversion rate is 1:1. I like that they have so many options for people who want to reduce their carbohydrate and sugar intake. It's kosher and gluten-free and only made with allulose and natural flavor. I like that it has an easy to open flip top and has a wide mouth container, so you have easy access to your sweetener. The texture of this sugar is almost likened to powdered sugar. It's very light and fluffy. I like that you can easily scoop as much or as little as you need. I'll demonstrate the use of the sugar by making meringue with this sugar. I like that you can easily measure this sugar and that it's loose and powdery and mixes well into dessert and baked goods. As you can see, they hold really well in the meringue. And here's the end result. They taste great and I definitely recommend this sweetener.